Your website is kind of like your moneymaker while you sleep, right? So people, some people get leads off of word of mouth, things like that, just because of who they are as a person, you know? Okay. But when people don't know you, and when they look at it, your website is basically like your front like persona in a way. Sure. If it's messy, they're not really gonna want to book, right? But if it's organized, fun, you know, there is gonna be more
captivating.
Yeah, captivating, exactly. Yeah. So I feel like I want to revamp my website, get a professional to do it, just so those leads that come in, they transfer more over to bookings.
Yeah, so definitely you're working on your website, you're beautifying it, and also making it, like you said, more captivating that entices the actual browser, the person who's actually considering your business, to say, this place looks like they know what they're doing.
Exactly.
They have their contact information everywhere. Let me either give them a call, or because their booking process seems so painless, let me just book right now. Because I think one of the best things, Victor, and let me know if you had this experience, is waking up in the morning, looking at your phone, and realize that someone booked. Like without calling you, without messaging you, without emailing you. Exactly. It just says notification booked, and it shows their first name, last name, how many hours. For me, that right there is like, that's the beautiful, it's almost like when I was doing Amazon FBA, and I would wake up to how many units sold, and Amazon would do all the shipping for me. Yeah. Well, my website did all the booking for me, and all the information for me. And so I totally agree that people should be working on their website periodically, maybe every quarter. But cool, man. Thank you for sharing that part. What else are you doing, Victor?
SEO right now. SEO is, I feel like, one of the most important, if not the most important thing when it comes to business owners. Yeah. Because I mean, you know, but the regular person, oh, I have a wedding coming up, I want to book a photo booth. What's the first thing they do? They go on Google, through a photo booth near me, or photo booth Orange County, 360 photo booth rental. You know, and if you're one of those businesses that rank at the top with those keywords, you're gonna do good. Right? You're gonna be the top ones. So I feel like